I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Shortcut Maker and giving it the permissions it needs. This lets the app read installed packages and create actions. Once done, find the exact shortcut you plan to replace and enter edit mode. Long press or tap the pencil icon. Make a quick backup or jot down the current package and activity names, because if you need to revert, those details save time. This preparation prevents mistakes and ensures you can test the replacement immediately after saving. Now you replace the target. Tap Target or Action and choose Pick App or choose Activity to see installed components. Search for the replacement app by name, then confirm the exact package and activity so the shortcut launches the right screen. Make sure you set the intent type correctly, activity versus service, and add any required extras or flags the app expects. Once configured, set the icon and label to match your intention so the shortcut behaves and looks correct when you save it. Finish by saving the edited shortcut and testing it straight away. Tap it from the launcher or home screen to confirm the replacement launches as expected. If it doesn't work, reopen the editor and recheck the package and activity strings, plus any extras or flags you added. Make sure the replacement app isn't restricted by battery or launcher settings. If problems continue, clear Shortcut Maker's cache or reinstall the app. This often resolves permission or caching glitches and gets your new shortcut working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.